Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today I'm going to show you a recipe which everyone will love. It's the creamy mushroom chicken. For that I'm going to marinate 250 grams of boneless chicken with a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Here I have some pepper with lemon. I'm going to add a teaspoon of that as well. In case you don't find this lemon pepper mix, all you need to do is squeeze juice of half a lemon and you can add quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. A tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, and I'm going to mix this really well. Since the lemon pepper mixture already has salt, I'm not going to add extra salt to this. Now let's keep this aside for 10 minutes and let's prepare the mushroom sauce. For the sauce, I'm going to heat a tablespoon of olive oil, and once the olive oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Just saute it for a few seconds. I'm going to add one small onion that I finely chopped, and I'm going to saute this till it's nice, soft and pink. I'm not going to make it too brown. I have 2 cups of mushrooms here, button mushrooms, which I have sliced. I'm going to add this as well. I'm going to keep the flame on a high. I'm going to saute these mushrooms till they go half in quantity. I'm not adding any salt because I don't want it to sweat, and the flame is on a high as well. I'm going to add a tablespoon of mustard sauce to this. Saute it. Here I have a mixture of half cup cream and half cup milk, which I'm going to add to this. So it's going to give the sauce a nice creamy texture and flavor as well. I'm going to reduce the flame. Very little salt to this. Mix this well and cook it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese and a tablespoon of fresh parsley that I have chopped. Mix this well and our mushroom sauce is ready. I'm going to keep this aside and I'm going to heat a grill pan. The grill pan is nice and hot. I'm going to just grill the pieces of chicken on this. We're going to grill these marinated chicken cubes for almost 3 to 4 minutes on each side. We've grilled this chicken on either side for 3 to 4 minutes. And our chicken is also ready. Now let's assemble this dish. I've already warmed up the mushroom sauce, which I'm going to pour on my serving platter. And on top of this, let's place the grilled chicken pieces. I'm going to sprinkle a teaspoon of grated Parmesan cheese, some fresh parsley that I have chopped here, and our creamy mushroom chicken is ready to be served. It goes very well with crisp garlic bread. So do try this recipe and let me know.